Hey everyone, it's Brandon here with the Dumbbell. Today I'm going to share with you guys a great 10-minute lunch break workout. Now with this workout, the thing I love most about it is you can do it outside or you can do it in an office setting. So it doesn't really matter where you're at, it's only going to take 10 minutes. So we're going to do 3 exercises and I want you guys to try to get as many rounds as you can get in for 10 minutes. So the first exercise is going to be jump squats. So we're going to jump up, squat right back down. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes. If you can't jump, we're gonna do just regular squats, just like this. So again, if you can't jump, regular squats. Otherwise, just jump up and then squat right back down. So I want you guys to do 20 jump squats. Now the second exercise is gonna be walking lunges. So we're gonna take a step and lunge back and forth. I wanna stay in the frame a little bit. So make sure your knee doesn't go past your toe when you lunge down, and make sure that back knee gets low to the ground. Now, if you're in a setting that you don't really have a lot of space and a lot of room to actually walk around your office, if you're not outside, then just do alternating lunges. So you're just gonna take a step forward, come back to where you started, take another step, and then back to where you started. And the same rules apply. You wanna make sure that your knees don't go past your toes, and you're gonna get that back knee low to the ground. Because you're really trying to feel that here in your thigh and in your glutes. And the more you have your knee go out in front, that's how you start to feel it in your knee. That's how a lot of people might get knee problems if they keep doing that in the future. So the third exercise is gonna be butt kickers. So with butt kickers, we're gonna have one leg out in front, and we're gonna kick up and tap the ground on the way back. Get as much bend on this knee as you can, because we're trying to feel that, almost like the lunges, we're trying to feel that in your thigh and in your glutes. I definitely feel a burn right here. So we'll do 30 on one side. I want you guys to switch it over, and then do 30 on the other side. Kick up and then just tap that ground on the way back. And again, just try to get as much bend on that knee as you can. The more bend you get, the more you'll feel that in your thigh. So that's a great workout that you can do in 10 minutes. It's gonna get your heart rate up and it's gonna burn a lot of calories in just a short period of time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please comment on it below. Follow me on all my social media channels. I'd love to hear from you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.